Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with All-Star Edition, Z71 Off-Road Package, Z71 Off-Road and Protection Package, Preferred Equipment Group 1SP, Chevy Tech Spray-On Black Bed Liner, Following Distance Indicator, Convenience Package with Power Equipment Group, Wrapped Steering Wheel, 10-way Power Driver's Seat with Lumbar, Rear Cross-Traffic Braking, and has less than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.